Hi, I'm Ryan from Scout Campers. We're here today at Overland Expo West in Arizona, and we are at the Scout TUKTUT, which is our newest model. It weighs in about 634 pounds, making it one of the lightest, if not the lightest, hard-sided camper in the industry. Super sweet. It also is, this one's geared up with all the Goose Gear equipment, so you can customize them. It's designed for, the do-it-yourself person. It's a minimalist camper. You can add whatever you want. We've got diesel heater and lots of gear in this one, but it's designed so you can do it yourself, and you can check us out at scoutcampers.com.
All right, guys, I am here at Overland Expo West with Ryan from Scout Campers, and we are going to take a look at their newest product. So tell us about this. What are we looking at here, and tell us all about it.
All right, so here we got the Scout TUKTUT, our newest model. Starts at 634 pounds. It's a kind of a do-it-yourself minimalist model. You can add what you like to this. This one's all set up with Goose Gear. The price point on this, it starts at $16,500, so that's pretty attractive for a lot of buyers. It's a good price. $16,500 is basically including your windows, your cushions for your mattress, stuff like that, and then you can basically customize from there. So you can add your own solar, your own. If you don't like the Gold Zero power pack, you can go with Red Arc. You can go with Blue Eddy, all these different types of battery packs. It's designed to be customized. So this is your do-it-yourself camper. Go ahead.
So this is your first model that you're focused on sort of making it, a modifiable experience.
That's right. So this is a minimalist camper that isn't loaded with all the options.
Okay.
So this is our first one we built as a shell, where you can basically build this thing out how you want.
Gotcha. Perfect. So as you were saying, it comes with the windows, it comes with the cushions.
That's right.
And that bed setup is stock. And then you can go from there with adding things.
That's right. So if you see in here, you can see they got the portal edge option. That'd be an option. Those the racks there, you would come down. You can extend your sleeping area, go close to 80 inches. That's an option. The diesel heater would be an option. Inside here, all the Goose Gear. The Goose Gear company builds amazing, high quality cabinets, things like that. So this one's all customized with the different packages that you can order from our website, but they're taking to their dealers and service centers as well to get this gear installed, and it looks really nice.
Tell us about what is this manufactured out of, the actual unit itself?
Yeah. So it's superior construction. Is awesome. We're using composite with aluminum extrusions. It's bonded together, and then that's your primary seal of the camper, and then you got your secondary, cosmetic seal on the exterior. Just make sure there's no chance of any water penetrations. But yeah, it's that's the basic construction of a Scout. No wood in the construction of the shell. Composite, fiberglass gel coat, fiberglass wall panel. No wood.
Okay, and the windows are. Tell me about those.
Yeah, so like a thermal pane window, acrylic, different settings going in and out. You can lock them for transport, but they're good for all seasons, and they look cool and good for airflow, stuff like that.
Is that stock, or is that added, the skylight thing?
Yeah, so on the TUKTUT model, the skylight would be something you have to add after.
Okay.
It's not part of the standard package. Just the two side windows are your standard.
Gotcha. Perfect. So tell me, this is for a small truck size, right? You don't make this in different sizes yet. Is that a plan, or is that what this is for?
Right, so that might be something we look into in the future years. Here is the shell models for all of the Scout line, but right now this is the only one that we build in a shell type setup. Is the TUKTUT.
Yeah.
This is going to work on 4.5 foot beds and longer. So that's here, as you can see here, Maverick. I don't know if too many other campers have even been seen on a Maverick.
Right.
It's going to go on Gladiators.
Yeah.
It's going to go on your Gladiator, Tacomas, Rangers. So all those smaller trucks. This is the camper right here that's going to fit. It's the right weight. It's going to be within payload. And looks great. You can see it here. I always recommend airbags to any truck camper, but it's got airbags on it and it handles it nicely. We've been out lots in it, so it works well.
Very cool. Ryan, tell me about what's going on over here then.
All right, so here we got our bed rail runner option. These things are maybe 10 pounds total weight, both sides. They improve the aesthetics of the camper. They kind of fill the gap between the truck and the camper, but you can also attach some gear to them. So if you got some max tracks, things like that, this is where you can store them there. Nice, easy access. And then you can also see here the removable jack option. So that's where these would go. You'd plug your jacks in here. They weigh about 130 pounds. So this is a beautiful thing because you can take them out, leave them at home. So you can put them in your garage. You don't have to drag 130 pounds of weight everywhere you go. So really allows you to keep your weight down. Another option here is that you have the tie downs that come standard with the Scouts, so you don't need to add, belly bars and fast guns to the truck. That's like, it could be like $2,000 to throw that stuff in.
Exactly.
This comes standard with these tie downs. They hook into the bed box, you ratchet them tight. We always recommend putting our campers on a 1/2 rubber mat, just adds a nice friction point, prevents any movement, and protects the camper. So those come standard with the camper and hold the camper really well.
So bottom line, solid product, small enough, particularly probably for somebody maybe getting into the market would be great.
That's right, yeah, great price point, $16,500 to get you out camping. So I mean, that's pretty good. There's gonna be tons of people who just wanna grab their sleeping bag, their cooler, and get out and go camping. This is the rig to do that. I mean, we got the campers that are outfitted. You can spend more money, get all done by us, but this gets you out, $16,500 and you're out camping.
All right, Ryan, it has been awesome. Thank you so much for showing us the Scout.
Yeah, thanks so much for having us here. It's awesome.